Alright guys, the most common problem I see with the Honda trx300ex. This one happens to be the '06 model. So the most common problem I've ever seen out of this, and I've had this thing for I think almost 3 years now, and we beat the hell out of it. We rode double, and we rode it through the summer, winter, fall, everything. We've had this thing, it's just nasty. We beat the hell out of this. It doesn't even burn a drop of oil, not a drop. Might leak a little bit, but it doesn't drop. It's not a drop. Most common problem is this plug right here. I don't know if it'll focus in on that, but there's a plug underneath there. That's one. You see, if you see a little junky little tie there, well, that's what I did real quick, just for a quick fix. The red wire on the bottom of that plug and the red wire on the top of that plug are the problem when you have no power. Like if you turn your key on, you have no neutral switch, it doesn't do anything. That's the problem. It's the red wire on the bottom of this plug and the red wire on the top. And you'll find that like up, see my fingers at, you would find it up right about where that's at. I tore off that little piece. But that's where you'll find that plug. And then the other most common problem I see with these, at least from the '06 ones, is they cut the power down. They restrict it on the pipe. It comes in really small here. Then it's got a kink in it. Then it gets bigger right there. Then it gets even bigger on the weld mark right there. Coming out of there, comes out bigger all the way out. So that's a major kink off right there. That's kinking off about 10, 15, maybe 20% horsepower. You can't kink it off. I can't get in there with this video because I'm using my phone, but if I can get in there as much as I can, it's a big kink off. You can't do that. And then the other problem I got is it leaks oil out of this little seal right here. You guys can see it on the head. But this thing's gonna get a pro circuit exhaust, and I just can't. I just can't do it right this second because they're quite costly. They're almost 200 bucks just for the header for this. 200 bucks. So that's where all the power's at in these, is on the header. And that's the most common stuff I see with them. We've had this for a long time. Only thing we had to do was put a seat on it. The seat was already tore up when we got it. And the carrier bearings, these are not bad carrier bearings. We went through so much water with this, you guys would not believe. And the carrier bearings are perfectly fine just the way they were. So I don't know if it's low mileage or what it could be, but the carrier bearings are still good on this thing. And that's all I see on these. That's the biggest problem. And I'm a mechanic. I can put this whole motor together, no problem. I can put the transmission together on this. I've done them. The reverse transmissions, I've done them. Everything. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. But please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.